That's your argument. What do you make of everything you've heard so far?
I saw television images of Burhan Wani being portrayed as a martyr, with so many people joining in. The Indian media especially, to a low-life terrorist like Burhan Wani, who from the safety of his Facebook account is encouraging people to ambush security forces, kill Indian army. You're comparing a terrorist to Shahid Bhagat Singh. Please name one innocent person that Shahid Bhagat Singh killed. Every successful terrorist attack, there are 99 other attacks which have been thwarted, which have been foiled. If jihad is such an important thing, why did Farooq Abdullah not tell Omar Abdullah to do jihad? ये गिलानी का बेटा क्यों ना करे जिहाद? सैयद सलाउद्दीन का बेटा क्यों ना करे जिहाद? आसिया अंद्राबी की बहन क्यों ना करे जिहाद? अपने बेटे के हाथ में पकड़ा दी डॉक्टर की डिग्री और गरीब के बेटे के हाथ में पकड़ा दिया पत्थर। ये कश्मीरी आवाम और कश्मीर के छोटे छोटे बच्चों की लाशों पे सियासत करते हैं। एनीबडी हु रेप्स should be put to death, whether he is wearing a uniform, whether he is not wearing a uniform. Human rights violations, throw the man in jail. But please understand, even the soldier has human rights. Many people started speaking against the army, and they keep on repeating this narrative time and again. This narrative has to be countered. What do you think the Israeli army would do? What do you think that the American army will do? They would just put a missile in that building and kill everybody. That option is available to us also. But do we do it? We don't. So it's very easy to sit in your drawing room and make a comment. शहीदों के बीच खड़ा होना आसान नहीं होता, जिसे हो इश्क हदीदी वही गर्दन कटाता है. Unless you love to an extreme, you will never embrace martyrdom. And that is the time when I said that in my own small minuscule way, I was a nobody, I am a nobody, but yes, I am an ex-army officer, and it is my duty to maybe give back. I can never fully give back, to repay the debt that I owe to this great institution, the Indian Army. And that is what I started doing. Yeah, I'm Major Gaurav Arya from 17 Kumaon Regiment. I am a hardcore ultra-nationalist. I tell stories about soldiers. I tell stories about the army. The Indian Army is not just a powerful army, it's also a moral army. We are not strong because we have weapons. We are strong because we are right.